Hey you guys, I have to redo this intro because I was not recording. How fun. But in today's video, we are doing a full face of Makeup Obsession. I love Makeup Obsession. I'm so happy they're in Target. But also, I'm so happy they added me to their PR list for 2020. I'm not sure if I'm still on their PR list, but we will see. I hope so because I love all their stuff. If you want to see an unboxing of me first getting my first PR package, it's right here. I do like swatches of all the palettes and everything like that. I chose a couple like cheek and one eye palette to go through because they have so many palettes. So that was what we will be doing today, and I'll show you multiple things from the brand, and we're gonna finish this look up today. It's really cute. Probably want to do a colored lower lash line. So if you want to see what this makeup look turns out like, just please keep on watching. But first, subscribe to the button down below because I see y'all. Some of y'all don't be subscribing. I'm very disappointed. Join the fam. Support your girl. And make sure you thumbs up the video at any point in the video that you like this video. And if you subscribe, go ahead and turn the notification bell. You don't want to miss another one of my videos. Come on. Okay, so as you see, I did one eye and my brows off camera because I cannot do my brows in a timely manner on camera. So I had to go through and see which one was full because one of them is empty, one of them is a lighter color, and finally I was able to find dark brown. My brow drawer needs to be very decluttered because I really was sitting here for 10 minutes looking for it. But I really like this pencil. It's the Brow Goals pencil, and let me tell y'all, these things are heavy. These are heavy. These are like heavy. Like these are luxurious. They're heavier than my Benefit brow pencils. Like I was like, oh, this is some way I can do workout with these. But I was just so shook by how luxurious these were. Like, and I had to buy some backups because they is fire. Definitely check out these brow pencils. I'm not sure the brow pomade, but I heard the brow pomade is good. So if you've tried that, let me know down below so I can go to Target and snatch it up, please. Thank you. Okay, so I really want to do something nude, but also color. So that's why I said I might make my lower lash line a little bit colorful today. Let's just talk about the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm missing 3 nails. Yes, I need my hair done. Yes, my face broke out. This is real life. This is real life Kayla. Ain't nothing all perfect and pretty all the time, so don't judge me, y'all. Just accept it. So I'm just applying my base because I get tired of showing y'all repetitive steps on my videos, honestly. And it's on one brand, so we're just gonna focus on the products from Makeup Obsession. So y'all liked my Buxom video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it up here. Okay, so today's palette is one that I did not use yet. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna repeat, you know, a palette that I've already done on my channel. Let's use something new. So this is the Game Changer palette. It's a nude palette, but it has pops of like muted colors, like a burnt orange and a little bit of a pinky red. So I was like, this is pretty, so I really want to use it. And plus I've been into nude looks lately, so that's that. And the first color I went in with is Success, and I'm using this Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I am just going to pop that on the outer corners. Their shadows, y'all, are very pigmented, and once I saw like someone, I can't remember which influencer was promoting these, but once I saw, I think it was Belle Jordan because she actually has a palette, which I have and I love it. Once she started promoting these, I was like, dang, like look at that pigment and look at these color schemes. Like their palettes are always well thought out. They do launch a lot of collections, not on ColourPop's level. They launch a lot of collections, but not like, nothing ever seems rushed, and their packaging is always so cute. The concept's always so pretty. So I'm just like, what y'all trying to do? This is a Makeup Revolution brand. You can find them on Makeup Revolution's website. Disclaimer, there are affiliate codes down there. I don't know if I'll use them because I can't remember what website my affiliate, they moved over to another affiliate website, so they might be affiliate things down there. So just a disclaimer, y'all. So if you want to purchase something, go ahead. If you see anything you like, go ahead. If you want to just explore the Makeup Obsession website, go ahead. This is the color Success. It's nice chocolate brown. And now I'm going to be taking in the inner part of the crease the shade Coach on the same brush, of course. But I just didn't want something so deep. It's almost the same color, but it's a little bit more muted. So I was like, let me just go in with that instead. Don't worry about blending it out too much because we about to do that with a different brush. Like these apply so quickly and I'm obsessed. Don't know I want to be blending for like 24 hours. I'm taking a Sigma E40, the tapered blending brush, and just blending out these edges. There is some color left on the brush, but I am going to dip back into another color. But I just wanted to blend the edges of this out really fast, you know, because I'm trying to be nice and blended for this cut crease because I'm excited. I haven't done a cut crease in like a month. Aren't you guys proud of me? Give me props for that. And then I took the shade Different on this Sigma brush, and I'm going to be blending. Did I take this brush for doing this? It's kind of big. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I did take this brush, I guess. I don't know. But we're gonna blend that into the crease. Don't worry if you cover up some of that brown, because we gonna reapply it and get that color back. Like, look how easy that blended. Like, I'm gonna clean off this brush with my color switch over here. And I'm gonna take the shade Simple, and then we are going to blend it out. It's pretty much my skin tone in a palette and an eyeshadow, so just used it to make sure this was nice and blended and kind of tone down that orangey color in the crease just a little bit. I really like their light shades, like they're whites in their palette. Y'all missing out if y'all haven't done it yet. Go ahead, buy you a Makeup Obsession palette. Y'all won't be disappointed. My eyelashes coming up in the corner. Please wait while we connect you to customer service. Okay, so now that that's fixed, we're gonna highlight the brow bone. That's what I did next, y'all. I'm gonna be taking the shade Wow and Adapt and mixing those together and applying it to my brow bone, because why not? I'm using one of the Morphe All I Want brushes. Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease off camera to save some time because we ain't using Makeup Obsession product for that, and this is Makeup Obsession, so be right back. Okay, so we cut the crease and we're gonna go back in with that Success shade and re-deepen the outer corner. But first, I'm not going to apply any extra product to the brush. I'm just gonna blend it with what's left over. Yeah, that was actually just enough, so I'm not gonna dip into any more. I'm just blending that. Then I'm gonna take what's left on this brush and just pop that. Actually, there's nothing left on that brush. So I'm gonna be dipping into different, and I'm going to apply some of that to the outer part because I've been loving doing this because it's just a nice gradient, you know? Just tap, 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 and you're done. And now I'm gonna be going into Wow with a Sigma E58, which is the cream color brush. It is wet with some Evian water spray, and it's gonna go in here. Their shimmers are on another level, y'all. They're like literally foil. Like, they're wet, like completely. And I'm obsessed with how their shimmers are. They're so easy to apply, very easy for cut creases, and that's why I always usually use a Makeup Obsession palette for a cut crease, because I know I will not mess up because their shadows are just so freaking pretty. And now we're taking one of the Cosmic Crystals eyeliners. This is from their newest collection, I believe. This is shade Shine. Can't believe I just was able to say that. And I'm gonna pop that all over my lid to add some extra sparkle. Now, I really do like how movable these eyeliners are, because I used it basically as like a liquid eyeshadow. It doesn't dry too fast. It's not too pigmented. So I gave my sister the black one, and she is obsessed with how glittery it is. It's so pretty. It just makes the look so perfect. I'm not looking at the camera because it needs to dry. Okay, so I was disappointed in this. I don't like this. This is the Makeup Obsession Mega Flick Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and it's a shade Black, of course. This is, the formula is good. This applicator, absolutely not, because of the fact that it's so hard. Like, you guys, I'm bending it. Like, I am bending this, like, it's really hard. It skipped, it dragged, it tugged, it pulled. It hurt a little bit because my eyes are very sensitive. So I'm gonna apply this, my eyelashes and mascara on my eyes, and then we come back and finish the face. So for primer today, we're using the Olive Blur primer. So this one, I really like it. I like all their primers, honestly. They're amazing, and they're, I think, $10 at Target. So we're gonna test out this one today again because I haven't used this one in a while. So I know I like this one because I really have no complaints with their primers. It looks like a lotiony. It's not silicone, which I can appreciate. It's more like it feels like, you know, one of those mattifying lotions. It doesn't get like slippery. It has like a little bit of a grip to it, which I really honestly prefer because I feel like the silicone primers make my foundation really, really slip on my face. On the lashes I used is my brand Hidden Joe Cosmetics, the Sapphire Lash, because I didn't want to cover up any of this beautiful eyeshadow, you know? Okay, for foundation, I have the Quick Stick Base Concealer Contour Foundation Sticks. I have more. I have like 6 shades. I didn't know what color I was. So we're going to, I know I'm going to contour a little bit, and I think I'm going to mix the 2 colors I think is my color together. So these are the shades that I have. This is D2, this is M4 and M6. I believe I'm in 4, but we're just gonna, you know, have M6 out just in case. I do have a video review on these, so you can definitely click on that in the upper right hand corner. So I'm gonna go in with M4. Just, I haven't used these in so long. I really did like these. They stayed, I don't think I talked about the longevity in the video, so they stay pretty darn well. They're very skin-like. They're not heavy at all. They're They're very creamy as you see me applying it. Very, very creamy, which I appreciate. A creamy foundation stick because I don't like to feel like I have to like tug at my skin a lot to apply it. And you can blend these out with a sponge, which I appreciate as well. It's it takes a little bit longer than, you know, a liquid foundation, but my skin don't like foundation brushes like at all. And you see how full coverage it is. I love the coverage of these foundations. Like, it's amazing. So I'm gonna speed through this part because I know y'all, yeah, this is kind of boring just watching me like, you know, pound on my face. So fast forward. And I'm not going to go too in depth about the foundation because I did do that video. I know my face looks really bright on camera. In real life, it absolutely matches my skin color. And that was shade M4. So I'm going to contour just a tad with the 2 just because it's here. So why not? Not too much. Just, you know, a little some. No, a little some. Because I'm extra. That step was not needed by the way, guys. I just wanted to let you know that. I just really did that because it was here. And if you wanted to get these to contour, highlight, conceal foundation, you really can. I believe they're $10 each. I have everything on the screen up there. If you guys, let me know if you like that, if I put the products up there, because I'm trying to figure out like something, because I know y'all don't want to go all the way to the description and click on every little thing to see how much it is, and I can't memorize all these prices. So okay, now for concealer, I totally forgot to show you guys this. This is the Essence spray. This is from their tropical collection, the Tropical Prime collection. I mean, this is Tropical Prime, the Essence. It smells, I just use it before the smell because look, you guys, look how beautiful. Like, ugh, we were supposed to use that before foundation, but I failed, of course. I knew I was going to forget it. And now we have the Mega Conceal. I get mixed reviews about this. I see a whole bunch of mixed reviews. They got 2 white ones. I'm not going to use those today. I'm just going to stick to number 6 or 9. I'm not sure which way it goes. I think it's 6. This is what it looks like. The doe foot's really odd, but I actually really like this concealer, but it does dry fast, so you do one area at a time. So we're going to do one area at a time because this stuff does dry super fast. Like, there's barely any time to move it around. And I did carve out my eyebrows with this stuff, but it does stay very well. It's very blurring on my skin, at least. I mean, everything's going to be different on other people's skin. Me and my sister both love this concealer. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, it's not the best concealer I've ever tried, but it works. It does the job, and it's from the drugstore, so how much can you really complain if it works for you, you know? Not set. I forgot to blend this into my shadow right here, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so our base is on. We just got to set it now. This is the Pure Baked Banana Powder from Makeup Obsession. I don't know how I feel about this powder, so we're going to try it again today. I can say that I do hate the packaging because it's literally completely open. I know it's for baking, but come on, they could have did like a sifter or a net or something. Like, look at all that. So I'm gonna pounce most of this onto this part just so I'm not super cakey. I do feel like this is this powder is drying. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It is drying. I feel like my under eyes look, if I use way too much, my under eyes look very, very dry. Thankfully, they don't right now because I've been doing lots of eye creams and stuff. And I'm wearing like a dewier foundation, but I would highly recommend do not use this powder with a matte foundation. Okie dokie, now on to the cheeks. This is a Throw Shade contour and highlight palette. Like, I love it. Look at that highlight. I love this one on my sister. Flawless. But we're gonna go in with the shade Fire, and we're going to bronze our face. I really like their contour and highlight palettes because they got something for everybody, like literally. Like, everybody can use this stuff, and it's really good. It's very pigmented, so definitely use a light hand, but I highly recommend it. I don't think I like this base. It's because that powder. Onto highlighter, because you can never go wrong with highlighter. So I got so many highlighters here. I got the Mega Lightning, Mega Destiny. Then I got 2 of the Cosmic highlighters, the Cosmic Crystal highlighters. I want to use Mega Lightning, like I do. Like, this is so pretty. It's a baked highlighter, so it's really intense. Look at that. Bam. So pretty. I am obsessed. Can never go wrong with the baked highlighters. This is what it looks like up close. It's a little bit marbled. It's really pretty, super gorgeous. It's like a white gold type of thing, and it's just perfection. Okay, and now you finally see what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm so excited. I get so excited with highlighter and blush, like, so. Look how wet it looks. It's so perfect. Definitely be very, very light-handed because this can get, as you can see, is very intense. And these highlighters literally remind me of Ofra highlighters to the T. Like these are Ofra drugstore highlighters, 100%. Look at that. And for blush, I have this Isn't It Peachy palette because y'all know I love a peach blush. So we're gonna go in with the shade Bloom. Isn't this gorgeous? Like, this is so cute. But we're gonna use shade Bloom and pop it on our cheeks. And I'm using the Luxie Duo Fiber Powder Brush. I love this one. This is it's the 516. I was about to say something about Sigma. This is definitely Luxie. Very pigmented, but so pretty. If you have medium to deep skin tones, definitely pick this one up. It is perfection. Like, I feel so pretty once I put on this blush. So freaking pretty. And of course the nose, because y'all know how I am about my nose being blush. Moving everywhere, all over my face, which I'm really upset about. I'm not gonna set my face. I do have 3 setting sprays here. This one stinks so bad. It makes me want to gag. This one's okay. This one's the dewy one. This one's the So Dope one. And then I do have another essence, which is the Nourishing So Dope essence from their So Dope collection, as well as, you know, the tropical one I told you about that smells like heaven. But I like this one over this one. I don't like this one because of the smell, but it does work. I need a drink. So y'all, I have every single one of these little monochromatic palettes. They're like, I feel like they're better in ColourPops, like, because they're tiny. They're like minis. It reminds me of the Stormy palette. They're so tiny. It's probably not this small, but aren't this cute? So I have every single color. If y'all want me to do for spring, if y'all want me to do like a monochromatic makeup series for spring, but using these, let me know and I'll do it. Whole bunch of different vibes. So I know it's small, so I gave you guys a close-up. I'm gonna take Pop and pop that on the lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it out with blush, and then I'm going to be taking Bare and putting it in my inner corner. I'm nervous about this, y'all. Ooh, my under eyes creased so bad. At least we're covering up with pink, you know? Hey, look at that. It's so pretty. I hope this doesn't stain my under eyes because I'm going to look crazy. Use the shade Ophelia in the Crystal Cosmic Lip Gloss. So pretty. It has like pink and purple reflex in it. I'm just gonna pop it right in the middle. Oh, that was so pretty. Did y'all see that? All right, so I'm gonna pop some mascara on the bottom of my lashes and I'll come right back. Okay guys, so this is finished look and I'm really like, I love it. My face, the foundation didn't set well on my face today and I don't know why. When I did that video of the first impression, it was amazing, but I don't know, maybe my skin just doesn't want to take it today. But it does have a really pretty skin-like finish, but it does feel like it's slipping and sliding over my face. So maybe like a more gripping primer would be essential with this foundation. I love all Makeup Obsession products except for the eyeliner and the eyeliner pencils. They need to have a brush tip pencil. I feel like, a brush tip liquid eyeliner. That would be like essential for me and what I use and what I'm used to. So that is what I feel like they should, you know, come out with. But if you have tried Makeup Obsession, let me know your favorite products down below, or let me know if you're interested in any of the products that I showed today. I highly suggest the highlighters, the eyeshadow palettes, and the blushes. They are my favorite. So, oh, and the eyebrow pencils. They are essential. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video.